On the dreadful night of 21st March 2020, the Indian government made a jaw-dropping announcement which left the nation startled.
आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
The principal and teachers of Sadhu Vaswani International School are on a conference call discussing what their next step should be. Let's all of us have a look upon it.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. The government has announced a nationwide lockdown. Hence, we have to look for an alternative for school.
I guess we have 4 options here. And the options are on your screen right now. First option, an examless promotion, which our students so do not deserve. Second option, 0 year, which our students do deserve. Third, homeschooling, which we absolutely deserve. And D, online classes. What do you think about it?
I would choose option D, online classes.
Are you sure? Lock किया जाए?
नहीं, lockdown किया जाए.
So today is the day. Yes, it is here. The online classes have commenced from today. And in front of you are the first prey of this new system.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, students.
Oh, bhai, OP, crazy headshot, bro.
Who is this in my class?
And this in front of you is Rohan, the one and only Rohan. He spends more time on video games than most people do on sleeping, eating, studying, and basically every other life essential.
रोहन भाई अपने आप को म्यूट करो जरा देख के।
Rohan? Okay, now children, let's get back to the class.
अरे बड़े
Open
भाई
page
4
number
खट्टे
4.
4 आलू समोसा 2 मिर्ची 4 आलू फ्राई हरे बूंदी 4 कचौरी और छोटे 1 कटिंग चाय मसाला मार के उसमें ने बिस्किट के साथ पानी कम दूध ज्यादा फटाफट ला।
And this was Sanchit. He is one of those foodie breeds who would rather be happy after seeing a bowl full of biryani than seeing a report card full of good marks. But he's also one of them who's always got your back.
Sanchit, it is better that you make it 3 cups of tea. And that way, we will have me and your parents will have that cup of tea.
And that was the maths class. Let's all of us move towards the economics class. Let's have a look of what's happening over here.
Ma'am, it seems that you haven't switched on the mic. Can you please switch it on?
Thank you, Gaurav. You are a good student. So let's continue. This here is the Y line, which is the income, and this is the C function, which is
Yeah,
C plus
exactly,
I.
bro. What's Gaurav's problem? I mean, he already has done the topic 20 times. Why couldn't he just let ma'am be on mute?
Pooja, what is this behavior?
I'm sorry, ma'am, I did it by mistake.
Ma'am, this was not a mistake, ma'am. This was not a mistake.
You keep quiet if it bothers you.
I'll not keep quiet. You keep quiet.
You don't tell me what to do. You do not tell me what to do.
I tell you what to do. Now keep quiet, both of you, and let's continue.
After getting frustrated from such kind of children during video calls, let's see what our teachers should say.
You children don't realize, do you? All of us are putting so enormous efforts and hard work to make you all study in a time like this. We are giving our 100% to help you study, and you are not even giving half of your percentage.
You students wake up a couple of minutes before class, whereas we wake up hours before. Keeping aside all our chores, we record the explanation videos for you so that you understand the concept well.
It is disheartening to see all the cameras off. And even when I ask you all a question, you don't switch on your cameras. And 2, 3 of you do, and they end up eating something, playing a game, scrolling on their phone.
We know it is a hard time, but we are here for you children. We want you all to understand that whatever actions we take are for your own good. We teachers just have one request for you. For you guys, to not make any excuses because we don't make any.
And that's what our teachers should say. But what our teachers actually say is,
It's okay, students. Don't get distracted.
And concentrate on your studies.
and thus, in the end, I would just like to say that the journey of we, the students, from apple bowler cat to affairs of state, business studies, or chemistry has been a grateful journey. And that's only because of you, our beloved teachers. And we also hope that your journey from being our parents at the school to calling our parents at the school has been a wonderful too. But your contributions are way more significant. So, dear teachers, we want to thank you for the numerous sacrifices that you make.
For our stress-free sleep, at 6 in the morning, you are found awake.
Dear teachers, we want to thank you all for pushing the deadline for us.
Ensuring not jumbo task but regular petty notes you assign for us.
Dear teachers, thank you for letting go our silly excuses.
And also for the naughty kid who draws over the screen share and misuses it.
Dear teachers, we promise you all to keep the video on all the times.
Okay, not all, but at least at the most of the times.
So teachers, we promise you to send all PDF notes on time.
We will try to match the consistency such as this time.
So teachers, we promise not to cheat in the online tests.
And will definitely not go after what Google suggests.
So teachers, in conclusion, we promise to improve ourselves.
Because it is you who haven't kept any excuses on your shelves.